Hello friends, it's Sherry. How you doing today? I'm here for Show Us How You Organize, the open collab hosted by myself and Susan at Susan Hiles Art. We are having fun organizing this month, and this is our open collab for this month. Susan and I have been doing these open collabs for a while now, and we really enjoy it. And so we got really excited about organizing or reorganizing our craft rooms, or just some things in our craft room. You don't have to do the whole thing, right? So I'm just showing you the hashtag, and I'm going to go down and show you the prompts. And then I'm going to go show you some things in my craft room. So this is the first crafting or organizing week. Usually it's crafting. This month we're organizing. And we're showing you our paper, ephemera, and stickers. So what you can do, if you haven't joined in already, is join in any week. You don't have to do every week even. It's every Friday in August. And just jump in anytime you want, and say you want to jump in next Friday, the 19th, and do paper. That would be fine. You know what I mean? So you can switch it up. Don't be afraid to just jump in anytime. We're glad to have you. Let us know. And here are the ways to participate here. Post a video on YouTube. Link Susan and I's channels in your description box. Be a subscriber to both of us. Let one of us know so we can add you to our participation list. And make sure you use the hashtag Show Us How You Organize. Okay, so let me show you what I am working on, or what what you can do is show us, you can show us, you actually organizing, or what you have already organized. So I'm showing you what I have already organized in that the areas for this week. Paper, I already showed you my paper, so I'm going to link the playlist where I have those videos. I have a short or a couple of shorts, or maybe 3 shorts on organizing my paper shelf in my closet, and other organizing things. So I'm going to list that playlist in my description box, so you are welcome to go check that out. But here's my I'm going to call this my, there's so much in the ephemera category, right? There's just things that you put in journals, and then there's things that you've made. So these are things I've made. I have 3 containers, and this is how I'm storing them right now. This could change in the future, but this is what's working best for me. So let me show you. I stack these up. I have this on the bottom over on my desk over there in my craft room. This is my craft table here. So this is just like a shoebox container, and this I put on the bottom of that stack. And in here I have my large ephemera, things that are just large. I can use these in a larger journal or whatever, but they're just very tall things, and things that I don't want to, and they're wide too, so they don't really fit very well in the other 2 containers. You can see I have a lot on their sides here, and then these I just kind of put on top. So, and it all fits in there, and then I can put this box on top of this. Let me click. Yeah, this next box here, it's just an old metal box that I picked up at a thrift store. That's my fan up there, you're saying. But yeah, this is my smallest ephemera. So let me bring it around so you can see it better. So yeah, I just have all these little pieces in here that I've made, or like these are some envelopes that I put together. I got these from Craftspire. They just fit in here, so they are in here. Other little envelopes and file folders, things I've made that I can put into journal pockets and whatever, paper clip into a journal, or put into an envelope in a journal, all of the above. So you can see all the little things there. So that's little stuff. There's some little things down here. So yeah, so that one I have sitting on top of the shoebox plastic container like this, over on my desk. And then this is an old, I also picked up at a thrift store. This was a coffee mug holder where it would stand up on end, or you hang it on a wall maybe, and like a little coffee mug shelf, if you can see it. I got it and brought it home. I think it was wood color, and I painted it this kind of peachy color here. And anyway, so I have there's some tall stuff in here, but it's skinny enough to fit. See how wide this is? It's skinny enough to fit in here. The others that I had in the bigger box, were wide, much wider, so they wouldn't fit in here. So that's why I put them in the other shoebox container. But this is also full of, and I pull from this all the time, but I'm always making ephemera too. If you watch my videos, you know I'm always making ephemera, and I love making ephemera. So these are some little inchies. I don't think, yeah, there might be some twinchies. No, there's inchies in here, and just some other little envelopes and things. And then the rest is tags and journal cards and envelopes and things that I have made. So this sets up on top of that. You know, this is the third thing on that stack. And then when I need something, I can just go through these containers and find what I need for my journal, right? There's all kind of subject matters and themes in here. So that's my handmade ephemera storage pretty much. So let me take you over to stickers. Just one second. Okay, so what I'm showing you is a wall. This is a corner in my craft room, and I had up here on the wall two, if you know what magazine wall hanger, hangers or organizers are, I had two of them hanging here, and they were really cute, and I have had them for years hanging there, and they weren't maybe the most practical, but they were cute. One was wire, one was kind of plastic, and it just cute. And I could look through them a little bit. I was always afraid they were going to hang on or fall off the wall if I it was too rough with them while trying to find stickers. But let me go down here. I've decided that those were becoming impractical, and not because I needed more storage, just because I needed this space, this corner, to put these in here, these containers. And let me move my light around here for a second. I have a light here I can kind of switch around. Okay, so I had this container down here already. This 3-drawer thing. That used to be my son's, I think, and he left it here when he moved out, so I confiscated it. And I have things in there that I'm going to be reorganizing. And in fact, yeah, you'll see that soon. But these are containers, and these are actually 12 inches. If you look at Walmart, I found these at Walmart, and they're actually the same price as a little bit smaller one, but these are 12 inches wide, if you can see how wide that drawer is. And these are 2 containers, and they have 3 drawers each. So the last couple of weeks, I bought 1 per week. And so, yeah, and I am going to put another one probably, if I need it, up here. See, that's why I took those. Another reason I took those sticker magazine holders off the wall, so that I could have this space. It just became, like I said, impractical for me to have that little bit, to be able to leave that on the wall and have the cutiness. And, but I was sacrificing this space here where I could put these containers and have a lot more storage. So those 2 containers fit in the bottom drawer here. And I like my stickers like this. For me, this works. Everybody has to do what works for them. So these I pretty much put all in this first drawer here. I'm going to call this the bottom drawer. I put my Dollar Tree, pop-up stickers. I love those. Those are my favorite stickers, the Dollar Tree pop-up stickers. So that's what all of these are. I have 2 stacks, one here, one here. And then I can come in here, just kind of, do that, find quickly what I need. I don't have to worry about it falling off the wall, because I just had them up there, the magazine holders with tacks, push pins. And then here's the second drawer with, of course, a lot of these came from Dollar Tree and other places. Happy Mail, probably Walmart. But yeah, this is the rest of my stickers. Oh, and I actually had another container. See all these little gem type things? I had a third plastic, kind of like a check box. If you know what a check box is, it's wide enough for checks, and you have little files in there, and you organize your checks. And I found that at a thrift. No, my husband or somebody had that, and I confiscated it from my craft room, and we're using that for my little tiny stickers like this. And that was in my closet. And that was, it's kind of like the stickers were in 2 separate places. 2 separate places, here on the wall and in my closet. And, it just was not as easily accessible as they are now, because I had to go and get that box. And I kind of forgot about it. I didn't forget about it, but I kind of it was in the closet, kind of, oh yeah, that box is in there with those little gems and stuff, type of thing. So I kind of really love this now. I can go through here, again, flip through. You know, this, like I said, it works for me. I don't, you know, you got to do what works for you. And but this, I love this, and I really do love this. I have some little boxes of stickers here. Oh yeah, I got these from this I got in Happy Meal, and this I got from these little boxes I got from Wish.com. I was ordering things from Wish for a little while. I haven't ordered anything there from there in a long time, but very, very long time. But no reason, just, you know, no reason to order anything from there. So I don't plan on getting any more stickers, and my plan is not to outgrow these boxes with my stickers. So I am not allowed to buy any stickers unless I use all these, and I don't use stickers that much, so that won't be a problem for me not buying any more. Well, it could be a problem, but I'm not going to let myself, like, I actually have a little room in here. See that right here? I got to put a couple more in there. But no, I actually plan on trying to use a lot of these stickers. And isn't it pretty? I plan on using a lot of these stickers before I allow myself to buy any more stickers. So that's the plan. That's my organizing video for this week. I hope you enjoyed. Let me take you out and show you the corner here. See how it is? That's just something I took out of my closet. Ignore that. I'm reorganizing my whole craft room. So if you want to see what I've done so far, look at that playlist and enjoy. If you like organizing or need ideas, I hope you enjoy and get some good ideas. So yep, I can add it. I can go all the way. I can take this picture off the wall. There's my light. But I can take this. I was like, how tall can I go? So I said, oh, I could get another one. I could get another one. And I was like, how tall can I reach? You know what I mean? I can take that picture off the wall, and I can really, you know, even if I needed a ladder, I could really, this is a 9-foot ceiling, so I could really go high if I wanted to, right? So anyway, I'm excited to get everything reorganized, and I hope you enjoyed today. I'll see you in my next video. Have an awesome day, awesome weekend, and I'll see you then. Happy crafting and happy organizing.